Good day to you, everyone. Make one wish with 3 bay leaves, and it will be done for you fast. Make one wish with 3 bay leaves, and it will be done for you fast. Good day to you, everyone. This is Infinite Wisdom HD. We are back again. Hope you guys are doing good. This video is about bay leaf. Okay? Just make one wish now, and it will be done for you fast. You have to fix your eyes on the 3 bay leaves. Just put them down on the table or on the floor and write your wish, whatever your wish is. Write it down on the bay leaves and focus on the bay leaves and see your wish granted before the end of the week. Let us do this. Remember, just one wish, and may your wish come true. In fact, it is very magical and it is powerful. Come back here with your testimony. I'll be waiting for you all. Remain blessed. May your wish come true. In fact, I see your wish come true so fast. So try this out. Just 3 bay leaves. Make one wish, and your wish shall be granted to you fast. Okay, I've come to the end of the video. If you love this video already, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.